Here, check this out here, guys. This is my new M4 here. Just purchased it here. It's actually for delivery for me tomorrow. I'm out here on a Sunday, guys. I just want to sit here and just tell you guys, listen, this is not a man that's just selling a system. He's not there to take, people think, oh, I'm just spending my money. But honestly, he actually really cares. He really cares. He puts the thoughts in. Guys, I don't know how you're going to get.
Wesley it's inspiring me, and is the kind of person that even he become rich, is still related to people, and he's trying to help others to get where he is. So he's a guy that he made it, but he's still like connected to those poor people. Personally, I knew him before, so he encouraged me to get here, and I had to make a lot of sacrifices to get here, but I did it. And I feel like I can push harder than I was doing in my business. And I feel like I can do better, and I'm excited to just take action and jump in. First of all, it's like you have to face your fears. You don't have to live in the past. And also you have to just take action and forget about everything, how people are gonna react on what you're doing. Just do what you think is right.
Hey, this is David G, and I just want to say I'm very grateful that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I want to thank Wesley Virgin and his programs to help my mindset to achieve my goals. Man, I was able to manifest a new house. I was able to manifest a new truck. And guess what, guys? I was able to quit my job because of his programs. His programs has helped me a lot in my mindset, not to think negative, always positive. And every negative step is just a stepping stone to achieve higher goals. And I just want to thank Wesley for helping me, and not only me, the whole world. At first I was skeptical about it, and I didn't have nothing to lose, so I wanted to check this guy out. And honestly, he has really helped me, and he's not no scammer, you guys. So I promise you, he will make you rich. Let's go!
Hey there, Mr. Wesley Virgin. Here's my testimonial onto Overnight Millionaire. Started January 1st. Listen to it religiously every night. Keeping a journal. Our daily perfect days. So far, everything is amazing. Just manifesting money. Everything is coming to us easy with all our affirmations. Everything we've learned from you. Excited. And I thank you for all that you've done. You've retrained my brain, because I used to be a really bad person, meaning just not nice. I'm a New Yorker, my attitude. And since I've been listening to you, following the laws of attraction, I talk to the universe every day, my positive affirmations, got my vision board. I am a better person, I am loved, I am more caring, I am happy every day. Life is fantastic. And I just want to thank you for advertising that program. So lucky to have found you. Everything you say and do is magical. You have made my life so much better than what it is. I came out of a very horrible 19-year abusive relationship. Verbal, not physical, thank God. But you have changed my ways. I've forgotten the past. I forgot the person I was with that man for 19 years. I am loved by a new man. Life is amazing. Life is great. And your program is amazing. I'm promoting it daily, almost every other hour on Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat. Much love.
Hello guys, I would like to tell you a little bit about the Overnight Millionaire program and how it helped me. First off, I would like to say the program itself is crazy. It's life-changing. It's just amazing. And it changed my lifestyle. It changed the way I think, the way I carry myself. And not only that, it changed my financial situation. Look, on top of that, it has me meditating, something that I never thought I would be doing in a million years. The meditation done by Wesley is so phenomenal. Like, it's the best. I'm telling you, the meditation itself will have you manifesting things that you want in your life and getting results right behind it. Like I said before, it changed my financial situation. So with that being said, I do want to give a huge shout out to Wesley. And if anyone, having second thoughts of getting this program, I highly recommend it.
Hi Hi everybody, I'm Kim Harker. I am calling to say thank you to Ariella and Wes and the team at Done For You Services and Overnight Millionaire. I have to say this is my third program, and this particular program, the other programs weren't bad, but this program has a quality to it that the other two didn't. And I have to say that the motivation, the inspiration, the preparing your mindset, Wes and Ariella really understand that, and they really emphasize that as much as teaching you how, to work online and to learn and understand. As a newbie, I needed to learn everything because I've never done anything on anything like that on a computer. Maybe an email here or there, but really truly a newbie. And Ariella is a newbie too, and she has really worked very hard to get where she is, and it is about a mindset, and Wes makes that very clear. And so almost half of what you do probably is just as much as mindset as it is the learning, the mechanics of what you need to understand. More importantly, I think, is the mindset. If you don't have the right mindset, nothing you do is going to manifest. So they really understand that. They make it very clear. And so I have to, again, thank you guys. Thank the team for all your support. I did my 3 sales, 3 in 1. I'm really excited. I was really excited when it was in my bank account. That's really when it hits home, right? So thank you guys again. Yay! Let's go.
What's up, guys? I want to give a huge shout out to Wesley, $1 billion Virgin, and Ariella at the Done For You Services. I'm 21 right now, and I grew up as a foster child in the system where, they program you to not succeed, this and that. But I always knew there was more for me. And I met Wesley, and I will be forever grateful for that. Check this out. I made $7,495 in the past month. All profit. On a $1,500 ad spend. These are the numbers I'm getting weekly, every week, coming into my bank account. These numbers too. Every single day, $700 a day, $400 a day, $400 a day. So if you want to get in this and get Done For You Services, start making some money, contact Wesley, and let's go.
Hey everyone, my name is Natasha, and I started the Overnight Millionaire program with Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Yes, I did, and guess what? It is working phenomenal. I can tell you that I have manifested over $260,000 just for manifesting alone. I've got an abundant amount of things that are happening. My relationships with my family is great. I love it. I just can't go without meditating every single day. If I don't do it, if I miss it, I feel like my life is just dull. But anyways, I'm just saying, Overnight Millionaire is the best. It is phenomenal. Thank you, Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Thank you. Motivated, dedicated.
All praises to the Most High, God's the greatest. Hey, just want to give a shout out here to Wesley, $1 Million Virgin, Millionaire Mind Hacks here. Check this out here, guys. This is my new M4 here. Just purchased it here. It's actually for delivery for me tomorrow. I'm out here on a Sunday, guys. I just want to sit here and just tell you guys, listen, this is not a man that's just selling a system. He's not there to take, people think, oh, I'm just spending my money. But honestly, he actually really cares. He really cares. He puts the thoughts in. Guys, I don't know how you're going to get there. Just know that, believe in yourself. Follow the system. It's proven. I just closed on a beautiful real estate deal here. We sold it, made a nice profit. Obviously, got out here and got something that I always wanted for myself. Of course, we're still buying more houses and more investing, but just what? He said that by applying the things that are in there, everything that's inside here can become. Okay, I didn't even think that this would happen for me this year, but guess what? It happened. All praises to the Most High. God is the greatest. Let's go.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Just want to make this quick video to thank Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin, and the Overnight Millionaire program. Just to share with you some of my results that I've been seeing throughout the past month of using this program. I've been seeing drastic changes not only in just my mindset and just overall things that's been happening to me. Just to give you an example, I'm actually a realtor, and for a little while I've actually been struggling with my business, actually trying to find clients to sell homes. And ever since I've been using it and just applying it, listening to it, just as Wesley instructed, and all of a sudden people are just calling me now, and I'm getting calls left and right for me to sell their home and to help them buy a home. So it's just amazing. That's just one example, and I've just been seeing so many other opportunities come to fruition. Things that I've been trying so hard to go after, and I'm just seeing them manifest and seeing things come to me. So that's just the power of Wesley $1 Billion Virgin and his Overnight Millionaire program. So I hope you guys could join and just see the benefits that it has to offer. So I hope to see you guys join Overnight Millionaire program. It's the best money that you'll ever spend, the best investment, the best return on investment that you'll ever see. So join Wesley $1 Billion Virgin and the Overnight Millionaire program. You won't regret it. Let's go.
Hey there, Wesley Virgin. First of all, I just want to thank you for allowing me to find this Overnight Millionaire program. It has worked wonders for me since I joined. I started 1 week ago, so February 10th. And it has been nothing but straight amazing for me. You have retrained my mindset with the meditations you have given me. From me waking up in the morning and looking at myself in the mirror and smiling, just looking for a better future, thinking of being debt-free. That's what I want in the future. But also, everything's coming so easy. Thanks for your guidance, Wesley. You're amazing. And lastly, just let's go.
Thank you all so much. My boyfriend surprised me with this coming here to Vegas to see you, and I'm so happy I did. You have totally changed my mindset. I have struggled with anxiety for so long, and your meditation totally helped me. So I just want to say thank you so much. And I recommend anybody, if it's future events, definitely come to him, because he will definitely change your mindset and your money mindset. Thank you.
My name is Jeff Araguzzo. I'm from Arizona. I just got done with the multi-million-dollar Wesley Virgin Conference, and honestly, this was literally the most transforming event I have ever been to. I was happy at points. I was sad at points. At points, I even cried. I've been at my lowest lows and went to places I didn't even know was there. Wesley Virgin is something absolutely incredible, guys. If you've never been to one of his conferences, I highly encourage it. If you're looking for a breakthrough, if you've got something stuck in your business, maybe something in your family life isn't exactly where you want it to be, Wesley's gonna pull that out of you guys. This was the most transforming event I've ever been to, and honestly, think I'll ever be to. So thank you so much, Wesley, for giving me the opportunity to come to this event. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to meet you in person. I'm truly, truly blessed.
I feel powerful. Coming here to Las Vegas to be with Wesley. Wow. Oh my God, it's amazing. I came in here, thought I was cool, but you know what? I leave here with a change, more mindset, I'm focused. And in a year, watch what's gonna happen. We're all gonna become millionaires. You know what? And it was deep. Oh my goodness, I just can't, I'm at loss for words. Wesley is powerful, powerful, powerful. What a blessing.
Steven Simon from Canada, and I'm so excited here to talk to you about the Overnight Millionaire program. Wesley Virgin has changed my life. I tell you, I got my mindset right. I learned about meditation. My income has grown. Right now, I'm in the beautiful country of Trinidad and Tobago, and guess what? I didn't have to ask my boss for a 2-week vacation. I'm here for a whole month to escape the Canadian cold. I've had the blessing of meeting Wesley Virgin 2 times, and he's just phenomenal. He's an amazing man. He really keeps true to his word, his principles, and he really wants us to succeed. So if you're looking into the Overnight Millionaire program, I highly suggest that you go ahead and make that purchase. Let's go!